Jeri Lynn Ryan is an American actress best known for her role as the Borg drone 7 of 9 in Star Trek Voyager, for which she was nominated 4 times for a Saturn Award and won in 2001. She has reprised her role as 7 of 9 in Star Trek Picard. Ryan is also known for her role as Veronica Ronnie Cook on Boston Public. She was a regular on the science fiction series Dark Skies and the legal drama series Shark. In 2009 she guest starred on the series Leverage as Tara Cole. From 2011 to 2013, she starred as Dr. Kate Murphy in the ABC drama series Body of Proof. In 2016, she began appearing as Veronica Allen on the Amazon Prime series Bosch. Jeri Ryan was born Jeri Lynn Zimmerman on February 22, 1968, in Munich, West Germany, the daughter of Gerhard Florian Jeri Zimmerman, a master sergeant in the U.S. Army, and his wife Sharon, a social worker. She has one older brother, Mark. As a military brat, Ryan grew up on Army posts in Kansas, Maryland, Hawaii, Georgia and Texas. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.